Welcome to our channel. If you received a BMO Harris credit card in the mail and need to activate it online, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the BMO Harris Bank website at bmoharris.com. Step 2. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Step 3. If you already have an online banking account, log in with your username and password. If not, click Enroll Now to create a new account. Step 4. Once logged in, navigate to the Credit Cards or Account Services section from the main menu. Step 5. Look for the option labeled Activate Card or New Card Activation and click on it. Step 6. Enter your 16-digit credit card number, expiration date, and the CVV security code found on the back of your card. Step 7. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity by providing additional information such as your social security number or date of birth. Step 8. Once the verification is complete, your BMO Harris credit card will be activated and ready to use. You will receive a confirmation message on the screen and via email. You can now start using your card for purchases, balance transfers, and cash advances. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.